Mamin Shah Sefi Mamelodi Sanders, the Bafana Bastard, Setwana Kasa. But it's also a very good, very good song played. But Bafana, and friend is saying almost if we Shabalala adopted that particular song go 2010. But Sundance Afa and Omomana Bayana Bastard. Now it's rhythmic, the style of Modi Bobo, like Brazilian sexy football. Now, Mikato said, Sia believes that are coming to this game because look, Omanim said their back is against the wall 4-1. And so, or a Somuba and Ibresu. So clearly, the coach decided that Milon Hamdi, 3 center backs, which he has never played from the group stage to now on board. What he wanted to do was that, on making sure that Yusuf Lafi will play as a left wing back, and then Mokhtar Belkita right wing back. The whole idea is that Kulisi any Abrantier, Aubrey Modiba, left and right wing back, almost support the attack no midfield. Any Omoba any Mubia, you have New Muama, Sifo Mbuli, and Tebo and 5. So they will dominate and then they will make sure say they will have a lot of numbers out from. And to almost 30, in fact, they played so well. The reason why I decided to dropping Jose Rezigwe and start Jose Helmi is because a box to box midfielder and a lot of numbers and early goal. A mistake from Teboho and a Bono corner. Yusuf Laofi to corner no. Sofian Butcher heady Bono. Goalkeeper Ronald Williams a mistake in the judgment. And then also Motobu Invala, we didn't context the header. Don't forget say first leg okay say Yusuf Laofi to corner and Amilu Rebi ahead here. Yeah. It means that we are very good when it comes to set pieces. Now I'm share we no na we your friend is saying Bafana Bastard no buy. And then Sundowns came into themselves. Come and see football. Now, Abrantier Teboho had decided say, "Obe chese ball and DM kan obo bopa." Neo Mahama, Sifon, Mfile, Tapelo Moreno, Peter Shalolule. It was a delight to watch. No wonder said from Teboho, Sifo, and I call Tapelo Moreno, and I Tapelo Moreno, and my wonderful pass to Semba Mshishi. Zwane equalizer, but Omuba second half no still not Beluza feels some bibi. They started quite well. Then once again Tebo Sifo New Mama they took charge of the midfield. Don't forget the 2 games in Kashelo Mailula game we one from the bench. Then the opportunity came again. Kulisi Mudao, brilliant cross from him, and what the run of Tapelo Moreno, brilliant strike. That's a wonderful goal. Now, this player, we shared last 2 seasons, he scores against Ali. He is a right wing back. He can play as a winger and also can play as a central midfielder. And Omoibi Ejumano 6-1 aggregate. They've qualified. They've gone to the semi-finals. Where your first semi-final after Peter Musimani Koye, Rulani Mukweni, he's done a fantastic job. Oni Mangoba Menketi, great job for them semi-final. Mafward Train. Titanic and scintillating clash blockbuster against WAC of Morocco. Mamelodi Sana versus WAC of Morocco. Ebeye Mojasem, Ebeye Butu. Almost Shanso Butu. The score lines are very marginal. So I move to the next game. This is defense against attack. Rajan himself, this is a game they must win from the blast of the whistle. And they have to go all out. And they started strongly by going all out. And Yosri Buzo, wonderful left winger, Algeria. Very slippery, skillful. Look, he was the danger man. Now, for the first time in the group, was dropping Zakaria Hafti at the Neofels and Winnie start here. So what he wanted to do was that on him very well said Ali Malul left back Tunisian for Ali or a danger person or calling him. So he needed somebody on him. A bit difficult for him to search forward and supply the balls to Abrantier Aifeno, who sent El Shahad. And then you also had Yosri. Senabe Hani Mohamed or Sharanyadi and Ebasana. Now the pressure will be on the 3 midfielders and the 2 center backs. And they started very well. Change, making sure say Mohamed Al Makahasi, he was starting ahead of Zakaria. And then he put him in the midfield. Roger Aholu and Mohamed Zurida. It was a delight to watch. And Ali too, I think that the coach also was smart. Or he said in Crawford first 20 minutes on boy pa. So one committed a lot of men forward. It was medium pressing and making sure that closing spaces, playing very tight. Now you're saying or Chinwa, Hani Mohammed or Bre Papa. And then second body Khaled Abdel Fattah or Brepa. He's a brilliant player. In the course of that, and another or cutting infiltrate, a ball shot. Mohamed El Shenawi, a ball no 2 corner. He had another shot again. He hit the crossbar. Then Ochi Aliu Dien or Trino. Simple cry at box and Aliu Dien for the penalty. Now we are saying when it comes to these clubs, they are sacrifice they make. The reason why I saw ball, no power ball, pull net Asia and Remono. Now, Masa, I'm going forward. Of course, your penalty, your penalty, no. Your ball, will be a boy. Massa.
Ya tupu.
Jai. We won't ask you. Nothing explains it. Your penalty. Massa. Ball run it. Now, Osha, look, Mohamed Akamasi had that crowd near 39 minutes. The worst one here, Hamza Kabadiano, 75th minute there. And one saw the night can ball no to net one of the ordinary night or can ball a repeat. And so aside the technical quality of how Ali defended, to say sacrifice but once again, this club, that is why they will be the greatest and no club can match them. Ali. We at this level, Ali, any Esperance the 2 is the best year. Now at this level, look, 2017, Ali Cup finals, LUC to work.
Yes.
2018, Ali Cup finals, LUC to Esperance. 2019, finally Esperance P2 no share no. A uniform at the quarter-final stage.
Yeah.
Then come Ali goes another finals again and win the final. Okay, what is Amalek? No?
Yes.
Goes to another final, beat Kaizer Chiefs. I call another final against WAC of Morocco, and they are in another 6th final. In 7 finals, 7 Champions League, they've gone to 6 semi-finals and 5 finals. It's an incredible thing.
Baby, I'm recording the
It's an incredible thing. Every year they are West, they are telling you it's a semi-final. Final. What they are here. And for Esperance, Esperance Brepa, look, GS Kabili played, even though Esperance share and a very good goal, but Ben Romadani, but trust me, we move by party. GS Kabili, they played. Equalizer now Adem. It was very tight. In fact, after the last 5 minutes, Esperance more a bomb by say. Referee no bomb. They played. Look, Kuchelia, any Yasin Genini, they played better than the game they played. They play a very determined game. Esperance of all people were struggling. You know what I'm saying? Esperance team is in transition.
Yes.
So results, there's not an exceptional Esperance team to 2018-2019. Until you have these results on Nemreba, they'll be able to establish themselves. So now it is set. Mamelodi Sundowns versus WAC of Morocco. It is set. Ali Esperance. Ali a masters of semi-final. Omu the masters. Omu get them out at the quarterfinals. But semi-final, they are the masters of semi-final.
Omu do semi-final.
Omu is we are Madrid of Africa. What they are the CAF Champions League now. So for me, it's going to be very, very, very difficult for Esperance to take Ali. Ali are playing so well. All of a sudden, Ali, share the way almost started poorly from World Cup Championship, almost by and then that 5-2 drubbing by Mamelodi Sundowns. I saw Monisu Briom, but they bounce back, and I've told you they have experience and quality. Some of the players are going to play in their 4th Champions League final, 4th semi-final, consistently. Only few. Team no Ahmed Kenduchi, pen a few of Pito team.
Already.
Ono by wanya match ni nupe na ba onye bimbo bim.
Kenduchi ne be no match.
The quality.
Ade aka no onye bimbo.
Tahir Mohammed and Abdelkader no Obeyi Hussein El Shahad ebe Pesita. Every omu who are 2 brilliant wingers, they start from the bench.
So when I like Izebenya
Mamelodi Sundowns, that will be a very beautiful one to watch. 2 teams now born not that firm cracking game. In fact, in recent times, almost share from peak to time, I mean, almost share everything. Apart from 5-2 now, peak to time 5, and then 5-2 next year. Look, almost share ball no dafem, almost bomb a fair come, and you see top players in the team exhibiting exceptional quality. Emma Agrono AFA. The standard of this such a clash is always very, very high and beautiful to watch. Trust me, Mamelodi Sundowns ball or boy, you know. The semi-final work should be ready. Work played poorly, or more character or quality, but there's my way Mamelodi Sundowns ball no, a very difficult. The Brazilians are they are really playing and tactics system. I mean, Rulani Mokwen AJ Juma, he's doing a good job, and they have a lot of quality. Ali, the same thing. And Ali 5 changes here because Oma defender Jumana is see Oma Bre, so he started bringing the regular guy. We Amra Sulaya Ambo because we're proud. It is a general Ambo, and they went to put up a sterling performance in this particular game. So there's all to play for. Ochina, I'll be telling you about Marumo Gallant and what it did to
Marumo Gallant. That was almost a Juma more year.
But League no Munyadi.
League no Muntimembo.
Yes,
and Africa CAF Confederations Cup and Omo Juma.
Yes, and younger. Just a river on say Paula Kwamoni, Frank Mohammed, Ghanaian contingent for Rivers and Miss Wonder. In fact, the 3 of them will play the game, and I miss Sumomo, but I'm always call younger. He's struggling.
But I'm always
and look, consistently is a question about the technical quality of your players. Yeah, a major topic.
SOMPA Sports.
Because African continent, club in Africa, they are not able to play it. At the end, the other, for instance, Ukshe Siabeluzada, Leona Wamba, or your top Cameroonian, or he's the leading marksman for them, Anayi Wala, or a Nigerian winger, they start matching. Yeosha Muru Ibrahim for Al Hilala. I mean, and then David Abagna Koye initially, but only the last 3 games to Ambo.
Yeah.
But Usha, where our players are struggling at the least competition on the continent, they're quiet to me, but other nationals, to me, start a ball regularly. It's a major concern that we have to look at. The technical development of the players who had more. And Emre Ben is some movie echo. Moro has played the league for longer years.
Yes.
So there's here. Yet, I mean, from Boga to then Karela to Asante Kotoko.
Yeah.
What there's here. And also, a very positive attitude. Moro, a year personal training that most players don't do. The time Kotoko do training ground 3, Moro is there too.
SOMPA Sports.
And he, in addition to Nia Coach Diman, on one kasa, a year in training account. And the young one say owns a more free kicker. Obi so preparation at taking advantage of opportunity. So something we can.
Yes.
So okay, we play man. So for me, I think that a major problem that we look. Yenya Felix Abuaji, Ebo Zamalek, Ebo Ali. So there's here. Felix Abuaji played both. A rare to have that. Yes, Imano Kwashi, Ebo Zamalek, but Felix Abuaji play both. Akwete Mensah and Zamalek. By the time that Zamalek were playing very well too, Akwete Mensah and Zamalek. And then how many of our players on African continent can go and slot into Ali? And Zamalek so Kwakobo, and I see Belus that, and I experience so Kwakobo.
But
that is the standard.
Augustino crowd, their crowd body didn't cry.
Me say Younger, all the Simba, all the matches they play in the group stage, he has never featured. All the matches, 6 matches or more boy.
SOMPA Sports.
Any quarter final match, he never featured. But no, a darling boy in Ghana, me wa.
Augustino crowd.
Journalism, man of fans here.
Augustino crowd,
yes. But but you see, it's because locally, the technical quality, intelligence, ability of the players,